Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing yet another 3060 Ti. This time it's MSI Gaming X Trio 3060 Ti. Slightly overclocked than the reference version. It comes with base clock of 1830 MHz. The TDP is raised as well and sits at 240 watts. So let's take this out of here and check. Let's see this first. How to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. Nice! Some stuff made for gamers. Some other stuff which we don't really need. Okay. Ooh. Support bracket, as the card is a bit heavy. So let's see the support bracket. It's nice metal bracket. Well, shiny a bit. Okay. Some sticky things. A graphics card. Hopefully. A huge graphics card. Oh. And nothing else in the box. Damn. That's huge. Okay, let's open it up. So here it is, guys. A really huge graphics card, you know. It's definitely 3 slots and hangs quite a bit above it. I'm not sure, but this still looks like a plastic backplate. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 display ports and the usual HDMI. 1, 2, 3 fans, of course. 2 8-pin connectors. Let's see. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 heat pipes, core, quite huge. And this is a RGB LEDs. I think this one is lit as well. And here, whatever. And by the way, let's compare this card to one of its siblings. We have another one right here, which you can also see. This here is the Ventus 3X card. Again from MSI. 3060 Ti Ventus 3X. So I'm sure you can see the slight difference in the thickness. And slight size difference from this side. Okay, we'll unbox this next, so we'll see. Bye.